Okay, getting into the classic, one of the classic plots that we have access to, the scatterplot. Scatterplot is really great for visualizing relationship between x and y. We can see here, we can really clearly see the trend here. We can also see this interesting kind of threshold where no matter how large x is getting, y seems to be truncated or not able to go, well, not generally not able to go past this threshold. Very interesting. We're able to notice this very quick and easy. And it's great. Scatterplot is a good starting point for a bivariate relationship. But one of the downsides is there's often just too much data in DNA in this day and age. So you can't really, down here, you can't really tell there's more over here than over here or up here in this threshold. How much data is really here? And there's a correlation, it's shows strong correlation, but where is that correlation being supported by? And that's even turn on the output, and you can still see maybe a little bit less data right here. It's very hard to really have any statistical analysis, even a very valid visual analysis with the amount of data in this. So this one thing you have to be conscious of is Scatterplot works well, but we often have so much data in the modern age, and normal data set is often too much data that we have many other plots that we can go to in these situations to enhance, to compensate of the kind of lacking of the scatter plot and the fact that we just have so much data this day and age. It becomes confusing to really understand exactly what's going on in detail in the scatter